Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can boost your audio in Audacity and make any microphone sound professional. I've recorded a sample audio just to show you how it works. The first thing you have to do is to make sure your audio is selected and then click on Effects. Select EQ and Filters and click on Filter Curves. Click on Presets and Settings and select Factory Presets. Now over here, the first thing you have to do is to click on Bass Boost and click on Apply. Now let's go back to Filter Curves and this time click on Treble Boost. Now let's go back one more time and this time click on Low Roll Off for Speech and click on Apply. The next thing you have to do is to click on Effects, select Volume and Compressor and click on Compressor. Go back to Volume and Compressor and this time click on Limiter. And that is all you have to do. Now this is the before. This is a test on how to boost audio in Audacity. And after, this is a test on how to boost audio in Audacity. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe and turn on the post notification